Imagine doing this.
Hello, you all. Hello. We are now going inside the Dubai Aquarium. But first, let me grab something to eat in the mall. Finally found the food court. This is the food court, and you can see there's a lot of shops over here, from Seattle's Best Coffee to Bombay Chapati, which is right straight there, to Papa John's, Porcelain House, Meat Burger, and everything that you can think of. Grill Shack, there's McDonald's, there's Subway, you have everything over here. Let's see what to eat. I mean, I'm so confused right now. God. Decisions, I think Albert, that's something local would be good. Let's see, you'll know what I'm eating. We have some Mexican food over here that we got just from that store, Ricardo, and I have some rice bowl with me, just like you had in California burrito if you have had before, and some burrito over here with some chicken filling in it, and yeah, some marinated chicken, rice bowl, cheese, and beans. That's all that we have, and I have some cola. There's Mexican cola. This is the flavor. Let's try this out in the food court. Tastes like Coca-Cola that you have back there. Spoons. We have a butter knife, spoon and a fork. I'm just going to use some spoon. I'm going to use it here. After having the rice bowl, I decided to have some chai because not a meal, but a day is incomplete without it, right? So I found this Bombay Chapati store inside the mall, inside the food court itself. So why not try it? I just had some masala chai over here, and it was good. It was okayish, not the exact Bombay flavor that you get in Bombay, but that is I mean, impossible, right? मुंबई का स्वाद मुंबई में ही आता है, बट कोई नहीं, ये भी अच्छा ही था. And then we headed over to the Dubai Aquarium. Finding it was again a challenge, as for everything inside this mall. It's just a crossword puzzle to solve. Basically, you just have to go through multiple areas, ask multiple people, and then you reach a destination. So until unless you have been here before, of course, then it's easy. Otherwise, it's just a tricky situation. यहाँ से है क्या? एक्वेरियम उधर है क्या? And then we asked a local store employee where the aquarium is, and then they guided us, and we just went on to the path. Luckily, we could get to all the places in time. We also have to go to the Burj Khalifa after this, so we have to do it a bit quicker, the aquarium. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully we'll make it in time. And this is the top view. I mean, I'm standing on the top floor, and it just looks beautiful, right? You just look downwards, and people are looking inside the aquarium from the outside, and it's just so beautiful. It's huge and it's magnificent, and I have not been to an aquarium since a very long time, so this is going to be interesting. Let's go. पूरा अंडर वाटर बना है.
second facility. ये लोग बाहर से देख रहे हैं क्या?
That's the aquarium, underwater aquarium that have and a lot of fishes over here. See? Where you enter in from, and then there is this whole underwater. See? They're underwater. So there's a lot to see inside, and if you have kids along or if you're an enthusiast of the marine life, then you're going to have a great time over here. There's just so much beauty, all the beautiful fishes and stuff that you get to see over here. It's just amazing. Huh? Oh my god. क्या
Snake है. Accuracy of a micron and it can shoot up to several strings of water continuously.
ये रहा राजवीर Conservation is in my blood. I can't imagine doing this anywhere else.
Morning, guys. This demonstration every single day, 6 times in the morning. First one,
Crocodiles. Eggs. Exit इधर से.